In this video, we'll demonstrate data read or write operations for the CFMOTO BOSCH MED17.8.10 ECM. What you'll need: MotoMaster, high-power DC regulated power supply, main cable, ECU clone jumper, MP001 programmer, BOSCH MED17.8.10 ECM. Make sure to update the software to the latest version before we get started. Tap ECU flasher. Enter the menu page, then search for the module in the upper right corner to quickly find the corresponding option. Tap Guide and carefully read the warm reminder, menu description, operation guide, connection methods, and special notes. Select the appropriate adapter. Confirm that the module appearance is consistent by checking the ECU image. Tap Connector Pinout. Now refer to the wiring diagram to make the connection. After the connection is successful, first back up the original EEPROM or flash data. You can customize the file name and the saving path, and the operation records will be displayed on the left side. Now we'll show how to write data to the module. The CS label in the upper right corner of the right button indicates that this data supports checksum verification. The file management has been upgraded, now supporting file filtering by file name, modification time, or file size. Operation completed. Thanks for watching.